Hi everybody, my name is Nadia. Today we have very exciting project. We are going to make this beautiful quilted bedspread. I will show you step by step how to make quilted bedspread and explain every detail to make our project very easy to follow. This is a simple twin-size bedspread. On the top I have this nice decorative fabric that matches some things in my interior. Lining is a plain cotton lining fabric. For quilting, I have chosen the center part of flowers, and of course you can choose to quilt what is best for your fabric picture. For inside, I have this light DACRON batting. On the edge of bedspread, we will do decorative welt. So, let's do it. Here are tools and accessories we will need. Tailor scissors and maybe small ones too. Thread clippers and a seam ripper. Some good size pins, T-pins or regular. Also chalk or pencil. Long ruler, longer is better. Straight stitch foot. Yours maybe look different. Zipper foot and quilting foot. Magnet guide if your machine body is metal, or adjustable guide foot for plastic body machine. Piping cord, size is depends on the look you want to have. Of course, fabric and lining material. If you want to have sort of like two-in-one bedspread, then instead of lining, use some other fabric you like, and you will have reversible bedspread. I've wanted my bedspread to be light, that's why I'm using thin batting. Use thicker batting if you want your bedspread to be warmer and with puffy-looking quilt. I'm using industrial machine, but bedspread can be made on any household sewing machine. The quality will be same, only difference is the speed. And if your machine has no quilt switch, no problem. I will show you how to do quilting on your machine. I'm doing this on my workroom big table. I understand that you probably do not have long table, but you can do it on a smaller table too. It will take just to do little more pinning. Or I did it few times before on the floor. So if you feel comfortable, try it. To begin with, we have to lay face fabric, lining and DACRON in right order and straight them all together, nice and even. We will have 3 layers. On the bottom is DACRON, then lining facing right side up, and fabric facing right side down. Please make sure that lining right side and fabric right side are face to face. Now I'm ready to measure lengths of bedspread. First I'm making sure that my fabric's pattern up direction is going toward the head side of bedspread. Then I will start cutting fabric from the foot side. We have to choose best looking picture for the bottom of foot side, because it is more visible than the head side, which is more likely will be under the pillows. Now I will draw a straight line on the bottom and cut all 3 layers at once. Make sure your bottom line is at 90 degrees to the fabric side. From the bottom we have to measure on both sides desired lengths of bedspread and add 2 inches for seams allowances. Draw the top line and cut again. Also on sides, I will trim off any excess of batting and lining to the main fabric size. After, I will check to make sure that edges of all 3 layers on the same line, all around bedspread. Next, I want my bedspread's foot side corners to be rounded. I have this template with rounded corners, and I think 6 inches radius will be perfect. Now I will do small cuts about 1/4 inch deep and about 16 inches apart on all 4 sides. These cuts will help me later to assemble and sew all layers together. You need to cut stripes of fabric for welt. Bedspreads will look better if make welt out of contrast fabric that coordinates well with bedspread colors. Let's prepare our welt first. I have 1/4-inch piping. To figure out how wide my fabric strip should be, I simply wrap a piece of fabric around piping cord and cut it, leaving 1/2-inch sewing lip. And then I measure the width I got. Now I will make welt by sewing welt fabric around piping cord. Now we will sew welt to the face of top fabric. I will start from top right corner. Measure 1.5 from the top and mark it with a pin, and this will be my starting point. We need to close open end of welt by folding fabric like this. Lay it even with starting point and sew around the 3 sides. To make it easier to sew around the corner, I make small cuts on the lip of welt. This will help to make welt look smooth on the radius. Now from the left top side of bedspread, I will measure 1.5. Mark it with pin. Cut piping cord even to mark. Close open end of welt by folding fabric and sew it to the top fabric. I'm making my bedspread from one width of fabric, that is 60 inches wide, and it is little less than average twin bedspread width, but it's okay for my bed. Usually, when making bedspreads, comforters or throws, we have to add fabric on each side of middle piece to have desired size of bedspread. Figuring out how much fabric to add depends on the drop of your bed and bed size, twin, full, queen or king. When adding fabric with a pattern to the middle piece, we have to match pattern to give picture continuous flow. That will also make seams much less visible. If you want to learn how to match fabric patterns fast and easy way without pinning, here is my video about that. If you have any questions about sewing bedspreads, drapery, panels, valances, or general sewing questions, please ask me. I will gladly try to help you. Also, if you'd like me to help you with your projects, or have personal sewing lessons, we can do that via Skype or WhatsApp for a small fee.